In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate email text to a different language in Outlook. We'll do this in Outlook on the web, and by the end, you'll have translation set up and know how to translate an individual message when you need it. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Outlook, then click the official Outlook website in the results to open your mailbox. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land on your inbox. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right of the page and click the gear icon to open Settings. A panel will slide out on the right. In that panel, select Mail to enter the deeper mail settings. Next, choose Message Handling. This is where Outlook groups options that affect how your messages are processed and displayed. Within Message Handling, find the Translation section. This area controls how Outlook handles emails written in languages other than your own. It's designed to translate the body of a message for easier reading, while keeping the original content available if you want to switch back. Now choose the language you want messages translated into. This should be the language you're most comfortable reading every day. Picking the correct language here ensures that any email written in a different language will be presented to you in your preferred one. Keep in mind that translation generally applies to the message text, not to attachments or images with text. When you're happy with your selection, click Save to apply the change. Saving locks in your translation preference so you don't have to set it again later. With your settings in place, open an email that's written in a different language. In the message view, look for the Translate icon in the toolbar above the email content. Click that icon to translate the text right away. Outlook will display the translated version, and you typically have an option to view the original if you want to compare or verify details. If you don't see the Translate icon, it often means the email is already in the language you selected, so no translation is needed. That's all there is to it. Go to the Outlook website, open Settings with the gear icon, select Mail, choose Message Handling, open Translation, pick your preferred language, save, then open an email and use the Translate icon. If your interface looks slightly different, it may be due to account type or recent updates, but the steps are the same. Thanks for watching, and enjoy reading your emails in the language that works best for you.